Hey everybody. You know, I always get this question, what do I carry? How come you don't do new gun videos? This and that, this and that. And you know, everybody wants to know, what do I carry as everyday carry? And you know, I've been asked this question hundreds of times. You know, I carry several things. I like different stuff. I'm not a, you know, I like Glocks, but I like other things too, you know. I carry this. This. Don't get me wrong, they're loaded. I sneak that in my back pocket. I like to shoot that. I could carry that. Or even that. I really like that one. That's pretty cool. And then, you know, I keep them. You know, it's not going to do you no good if it ain't ready. See what I'm saying? But today I'm carrying that. So, yeah, I carry. There you go. Thanks for watching. More guns and gadget videos on Guns Gadgets Prepared. Check that channel out. Put the link below.